Hi lawyers, today I'm sharing how to use social media for lawyers. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Some of us are immediately adept at social media, and others take some time to warm up to the whole idea. And even some of my clients are adverse to entire platforms like Facebook. They just won't do it. Wherever you are about social media, it's totally fine. There are several ways that law firms can use social media to their advantage. So let's go a little deeper. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. First, establish a presence on relevant social media platforms. Law firms should establish a presence on social media platforms that are commonly used by their target audience. This may include platforms like LinkedIn for referrals, Twitter, or Facebook for getting direct clients, depending on the firm's practice area, of course, and their target market. Share relevant content. Law firms should share relevant content and information on social media, such as blog posts, news updates related to their practice areas. This can all help establish the firm as a thought leader and attract potential clients. Engage with followers. Social media is a great way for law firms to connect with their followers and build relationships. Law firms should make the effort to engage with their followers by responding to comments and messages and asking for feedback. Utilize paid advertising. Social media platforms offer a range of paid advertising options that can help law firms reach their target audience. Firms can use paid advertising to promote specific services, events, or other offerings. Monitor and manage online reputation. Law firms should monitor their social media accounts and online reputation to ensure that they're representing a positive image to the public. This may involve responding to negative comments or reviews in a professional and even empathetic manner. By using social media effectively, law firms can reach a wider audience, build relationships with potential clients, and establish themselves as thought leaders in their practice areas. Contact us today and learn how GoMedia Marketing Productions can help your law firm grow. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.